Hello friends, this is Sumit and I welcome you all to the new brand episode of 6 Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex, Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life, and Dr. Vijay Daifale will solve your all the problems in very positive manner. But before starting the actual task, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale in detail. Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology. So friends, now that you all are now aware about various clinics of Dr. Vijay Daifale, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Now let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Sure.
And sir, whenever we speak on sexual dysfunction, you always take queries related to public demand.
Definitely.
So sir, you are getting lot of questions on your WhatsApp, even on your email. Even we are getting lot of questions on the videos that we always share on various social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube. So sir, you always take cognizance of the questions asked by people. And therefore, you have selected this very particular and very important topic, that is sexual dysfunction and orgasm.
Yes.
So sir, my first question to you is, sir, how orgasm occurs in specifically in females? Please tell us.
Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are taking the scientific information about sexual dysfunction, different activities like orgasm, again like ejaculation, male satisfaction, female satisfaction, under the frame, time, place, person, condition, culture, safety and consenting. Especially orgasm, those who are newly joined over here, in short I will tell you, orgasm is a phenomena in male and female where they get a satiety satisfaction at the end point. Then how to identify how the orgasm, that peak point is understood in females, especially when they go in orgasm, there occurs definitely contractions of the pelvic floor, contraction inside the vagina, contraction of this uterus, and in this way this pelvic floor go in contraction phase, relaxation phase in the multiple times also. So this type of appearance, contraction of floor, contraction of uterus and relaxation of the pelvic floor and muscles, and this is called as a orgasm.
Definitely. Sir, then what is recovery period of the orgasm? Please tell us.
Correct. Basically in females, the recovery period is very short. Means what? Means once orgasm has occurred, there are again chances that if you stimulate them again and again start the procedure, then again they can go for the next type of multiple orgasm. So in short I will tell you, means recovery period means after completion of a first session, immediately the female partner go for the second session because there is a capacity. So there is no any recovery period, and if you keep on stimulating, again you can go for the multiple orgasm and again second set of your sexual activity.
Definitely. Sir, regarding this particular topic, I would like to ask you few more questions in detail, but there is one phone call connected from Pali Hill. Taimur is online. Can we take that call?
Sure. Definitely.
Taimur, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
In male, what is refractory period after orgasm?
Excellent. Refractory period.
Yes, sir.
Same like a female. Even in male, after ejaculation, when again the end of that, you can say always in male, once they ejaculate, if suppose they are supposed to do activity again immediately, no, it is not possible because recovery period in male is a longer, means at least it can take from hours together to days together. So this is the difference between male orgasm and female orgasm, where male definitely have a recovery period, minimum we can say more than 1 hour, 2 days also. So in this way, if you compare it, there is a big difference in male sexual activity, male orgasm and female orgasm.
Definitely, sir. You're telling us
Sure.
about orgasm and sexual dysfunction. Now let's
Definitely.
come back on question and answer.
Yeah.
Sir, what is resolution stage in orgasm? Please tell us, sir.
Excellent. Basically, after orgasm, in females, what changes occur? Resolution means there is a relaxation of total muscles. The blood flow towards that vagina or vulva that start coming back. The heart is also calming down, and by this way there occurs a satiety feeling, relaxation of body, blood flow is reversed, and the size of clitoris and size of this vulva is also get reduced, muscles got relaxed, and this is the resolution period in case of females after orgasm.
Definitely, sir. Just now you told us information about female orgasm.
Yeah.
Now let's come on the male orgasm.
Yes.
So, sir, what is excitement stage in male orgasm? Please tell us, sir.
Excellent. Now, if you see, if you study in how much stages this male orgasm is divided, excitement stage, then plateau stage, then after plateau there is orgasm, and after orgasm there is a resolution. So, what happens in excitement? By any type of fantasizing, by any type of stimulation, blood flow towards the penis is increased, the corpora start filling, again the corpora spongiosum start filling, there occurs erection of the penis, and after erection it is maintained for that given time, and when you continue the sexual activity, this phase of erection is called as a excitement phase of a orgasm.
Definitely, sir. Again, I would like to
Yeah.
ask you a few more questions
Sure.
on male orgasm specifically.
Yeah.
But we have one more caller on the show. We have Tanuja from Walkeshwar. Can we take that call?
Surely,
Yeah.
you can have it.
Tanuja, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Whether in female, multiple orgasm are possible in sexual activity?
Excellent.
Okay.
So, one must appreciate this question,
Definitely, sir.
because again I am telling the difference between male and female sexual activity. If suppose one session is over, after that if you tell the male person to again perform it, it is very difficult, because there is a recovery period, because unless some time span has gone, he cannot perform. But this is not true with the female. If suppose she is relaxed after first session and immediately again you start stimulating, again their pelvic floor start contracting, the uterus start contracting, the vaginal muscles start contracting, and again they go for repeat orgasm or repeat activity. Definitely this is also normal, but again it depends on their partner and their coordination.
Definitely, sir. Once again, coming back
Yeah.
to our question and answer, we are now speaking about specifically about male orgasm.
Male orgasm.
So, sir, what is plateau stage in male orgasm? Please tell.
Correct. Now plateau means steadiness. Means one erection has occurred, now the process is started. What happens to maintain that erection? The blood flow should not go in backward direction. So in that extended or in that erect position, all blood vessels are compressed, and due to compression of blood vessels, the flow doesn't go backward, and that erection is maintained for 10, 15, 20 minutes, and the performance and the procedure is started. In the same position, the testicles are lifted upwards, and this is also normal. So maintenance of erection, lifting of testes, and perform the activity for 15 to 20 minutes. This is a plateau stage of orgasm in male.
Definitely, sir. Now, one last question, but
Yeah.
definitely not least question.
Sure.
Sir, what is orgasm stage in male orgasm? Please tell us.
Excellent. Now here is the end of a session. So what happens? From the prostate, from seminal vesicle, from all sides, from testicles, the sperms, they are expelled by the bulb in the prostatic fossa. From prostatic fossa, due to contraction of this bulbocavernosus muscles, this all sperm is ejaculated outside in a expertile manner, spillage manner, and after that there occurs a relaxation of the penis. The blood has gone down, the flaccidity comes, testicles go down, and this phase of orgasm is called as resolution, and at this moment the male person got completely satisfied. So friends, only one thing I will tell you, with your norms, with your conditions, with your own partner, such a type of orgasm thing you must know. so that you must understand your partner and yourself, and you should enjoy your happy and sexual life.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all this valuable information. But sir, due to
Yeah.
time constraint, we have to stop here in this particular episode. But definitely, we'll meet in one more episode with new and different topic
Yeah.
and important topic.
Sure.
But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Devale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen, and there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Devale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.